The Aire 5000 air purification system and heat energy recovery ventilator will dramatically improve the quality of air in your home. The Aire 5000 pulls in fresh outdoor air and expels stale indoor air every 30 seconds. If you decide to install the unit yourself, the following sequence will help. However, we recommend that you think first and foremost about safety. Wear your safety glasses, locate interior wiring, and plan the placement of the unit carefully, because it will be permanent. With tools assembled and the Aire 5000 out of the box, you're ready to begin. Locate and center your marks both inside and out. Use the template to mark both the center hole and mounting holes. Use your drill with a 4-inch hole saw to cut through the wallboard inside. Cut through the insulation with a utility knife and drill through to the outside wall. The duct will connect directly to the back of the unit and to the outside vent, so you want to cut it flush on both sides. After putting the outside vent in place, you're ready to mount the Aire 5000. Hammer your wall anchors into the pre-drilled holes. Remove the filter. You'll notice 4 holes in the back panel that will match up to your wall anchors. Settle the unit into the ductwork and begin attaching. Replace the filter. Close the door, plug it in, and start enjoying cleaner, fresher air. If you decide on a portable installation, the following sequence will show you how the Aire 5000 can be moved from room to room using the portable window insert. Choose a convenient window and a piece of furniture solid enough to hold the unit. Install the portable insert. Attach the air duct. Tighten the clamp and plug it in. It's as simple as that. You'll be able to preset the timing cycle, see the air temperature, and the flow of air in and out. Because you're stopping pollutants from entering the house at the unit's filter, it will periodically need to be cleaned. Turn off the Aire 5000 and pull the plug for safety. Open the front panel and remove the filter. After washing and air drying, simply slide the filter back in, close the door, power up, and you're ready to go. The Aire 5000 will provide you and your family peace of mind and healthier air for years to come.